carry troops into combat, and even operate in Arctic blizzards. Today, we're uncovering the story behind one of the most advanced helicopters ever built. Welcome back to the channel Motor Mile Media. From the freezing Arctic to the blazing deserts of the Middle East, the AW101 is trusted by militaries across the globe. But what makes this helicopter so versatile, so reliable, and so feared? Let's find out. In the early 1980s, the UK and Italy faced a problem. Their fleets of anti-submarine helicopters were aging, and the Cold War demanded a modern solution to track Soviet submarines lurking under the seas. Westland helicopters from Britain and Agusta from